चलिए रेडी। ये जो आपका पटना हाई कोर्ट में जो आपका थर्ड बैच में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था वो यही पैसेज है। आपका 30/4/2022 को जो स्टेनोग्राफर का एग्ज़ाम हुआ था थर्ड बैच में वो यही पैसेज है। आप पर्सनली कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। व्हाट्सअप कीजिए या कॉल कीजिए। 2 दिन आप मेरा डेमो क्लास फ्री कर सकते हैं और अच्छा नहीं लगेगा तो छोड़ दीजिएगा, ठीक है। कैपिटल स्मॉल कॉमा पैराग्राफ सारा चीज़ बताया जाता है, ठीक है। 2 दिन करके आप दे सकते हैं, गूगल मीट पे क्लास लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये आपका पटना हाई कोर्ट का पैसेज हो गया। 320 वर्ड, 90 to 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कर लीजिए एक बार, सभी लोग सही रहेगा, ठीक ना। चलिए टाइम से सेंड कर दीजिएगा। ओके, थर्ड बैच का है पटना हाई कोर्ट स्टेनोग्राफर का। रेडी, स्टार्ट। मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। रेडी, स्टार्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए। स्टार्ट। Mr. Chairman, the government has now declared the minimum support price because the farmers are not getting the price of their produce. They are forced to sell their produce below the cost, resulting in huge losses to them. A few days back, this has come in all the newspapers. You must be knowing that in search of jobs, people have migrated from backward districts to other parts of the country. The WTO agreement has posed another problem for us. The member countries who have signed the agreement have provided many safeguards in the agreement itself. They can provide all possible subsidy to bring about a balance in supply and demand. That is how they maintain the economic status of the people who are engaged in agriculture in other countries. There is a system of making direct payment to the farmers whereby their economic status is lifted. But in our country, sometimes we withdraw subsidy and hence the prices of agriculture inputs like fertilizers, seeds, etc. are rising like anything. As a result of this, the cost of production is increasing, whereas the farmers are not getting remunerative price. I do not wish to take much time of the house. I would request the Honorable Minister to answer a few things which are very important. Firstly, the godowns available in all the states must be made available to the respective states to keep their surplus food grains. Secondly, the government should encourage the farmers to come forward to produce more grains so that the cost of production goes down to a reasonable level. Thirdly, the minister must spell out the mechanism that he is trying to build up to minimize the price of agricultural inputs. Sir, as you are aware that during natural calamities like cyclone and drought, the farmers suffer heavy losses. Therefore, crop insurance scheme is very important scheme and the government should take measures to all the areas. फुल स्टॉप फिनिश। चलिए इसे टाइप कीजिए और जल्दी भेजिए इसे, कैपिटल स्मॉल कॉमा पैराग्राफ पे ध्यान देंगे। चलिए।